Hello you guys, how are you doing? I'm back. Yes, I'm back. This is day 15. This is time for me to use my soap and I'm so excited. I'm already lighting it up a little bit, as you can see. Skin is giving what it's supposed to give. It's giving what it's supposed to give. You can't tell me shit. You can't tell me shit. I look good though. I look good. Anyways, y'all, so how y'all been? Like, what's been going on? What's the tea? Okay? I know my last couple videos was a little dry, you know, but I was just trying to get to the point. I feel a little bit more comfortable today. I feel more confident today. I feel more energetic. I feel more like, oh my God, you know who you are. I don't feel disgusting. I feel like all I need to do now is just wash my face. And that's how I've been needing to feel, but I just wasn't feeling it. So let's just go ahead and get straight to the point. Let's go ahead and start using our soap. I told you guys about this in the last videos on how to apply. I showed you guys how to cut it up just like this, just in case you guys missed it. But yes, so your bar soap is gonna come in a bar just like this. You're gonna cut it up into these pieces, okay? And you're gonna put it into a mason jar. No, this is not how it came. I did this. I took the label off the bar soap and just taped it to my jar. And yeah, made me a little cool mason jar for my soap after I cut up into the chunks. So now you can start using your soap on day 14 or 15. Best is do 15, just let it get it in. And yeah, you guys just go ahead and start washing your face up. Do not scrub your face. Be very gentle with it. You know what I'm saying? Do not try to exfoliate really deeply. I don't know. You know, just try to be gentle with your new skin, okay? So I'm back from washing my skin. Peep that. I am not the same woman. I am not the same woman. I don't mind it. I am not the same woman. Okay. Anyways, so you guys, let's just let it dry a little bit. Let's see. So we can put our facial moisturizer on. Alright, so now that we dried that just a little bit, what I want to show y'all that is very important after doing this, you still want your face to heal. You know, your new skin is always going to be healing because it's brand new. It's always going to be trying to recover at some point. So what I like to do before I put my moisturizer on, because it may be a little strong, go ahead and put this at least around the parts of my face that I know may burn a little, like around my lip. I would say right in this area. Okay. And then most definitely the neck. But the neck is not gonna burn. But I want to keep that moisturized. Okay. Now let's put the moisturizer on. As you guys know, oh, this looks a little dusty. As you guys know, this is the Thebrandiglow's Glow Girl Facial Moisturizer. It comes with the Glow Girl Trio like this. Now this is supposedly the moisturizer you're supposed to be using after you clear your face up with the chemical peel. So I'm gonna put that like sunscreen. And don't forget your sunscreen. I don't know if you have to apply it at night, but I would, because you know it's just something that's good for the skin anyway. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit because it's nighttime. But during the day, like when you wake up in the morning and wash your face, most definitely put a good amount on. Okay, that's it, y'all. That's all you gotta do. For the next couple of however long you want to use this product, that is going to be your daily routine from AM to PM every single day. Do not skip a day. Every single day until you get to the results that you want. You know what I'm saying? But this stuff works pretty fast. You're going to see results within day one. I promise you. I promise you will. So, ladies, go ahead and buy it. Stop playing. Brandy knows what she's talking about. She knows what her products are capable of. Don't be afraid of the price. The prices may be a little steep, but I promise you, it's worth it. In the end, it's worth it. You're gonna see, because I'm gonna keep updating you on my skin. You're gonna be like, hell is that? And I'm like, exactly. So you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this channel, and hope you guys enjoyed, not this channel, like I'm about to end it. I'm not about to end it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys are enjoying my channel, and hope you guys subscribe. And I'm gonna keep you guys updated on not only my face, but my personal life. I eventually wanna start telling you guys who I am, where I'm from, how old I am, and all that. Eventually, I want to get to that. I want to connect myself to you guys. So that'll be coming up soon. Let me know if you got any further questions. Just DM me or email me. I will respond as soon as possible. And like I said, y'all just gotta stay glowing.